Hey everybody, what's up? Keith Rainville here, the lead guy, my friends. So today I'm going to show you a super cool little trick on how to verify emails for absolutely free, okay? So here we go. This is Leopath. This is a website where we're going to use their verification tool here, but this takes a little manipulating. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a CSV file, and in the CSV file, just so you can see, I've left this this here, okay? So I've just left the email column and then I've saved it as a CSV file. So I'm gonna just verify these emails here, okay? So here's what I do. I upload that and then I'm gonna hit the validate key here. And so we're just gonna wait for that to validate. It's just gonna take a few minutes, okay? So we'll wait for that process to go through. Okay, so we are done now. So we went through and we validated the emails, okay? So this is a pretty solid list. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how this works now, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up the original list. I'm not going to pull the one up with just the emails, but I'm going to pull up the one with the full data, okay? So I'm going to go in and I'm going to scroll down here. And I'm going to scroll all the way down till I get to the end of the list. There we go. And I'm going to go to the email column. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to take the domains that are invalid. There's just one here. This isn't really a good list to show you because it's not going to show a lot of invalid emails. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the emails that are not valid, okay? And very simply, I'm going to paste them to the original list. Now, this is where it's important to pay attention. Now, when I do the email list, I usually get a lot more than this, maybe 10 or 20. So there's usually a list of emails that are invalid here. So what I do is I take the invalid emails and I post them and I copy and paste them to the original list. Then I highlight the email column, okay? Then I go to up here to conditioning and formatting, okay? And I'll go highlight cells and I'll go duplicate values, okay? And this will highlight the duplicate values in the list. Now, again, when you have 20, 30, 40 invalid emails, you don't want to go up through this list and start erasing them, okay? What you're going to do now is click over here on the side of the emails, and you're going to hit Control A, okay? Then you're going to go to Filter, and you're going to go to Custom Sort, okay? Then you're going to choose the category, which is email, and you're going to choose the value, which is color, cell color, and you're going to hit OK. Now, what that's going to do is it's going to send all the duplicate emails to the bottom of the page with the invalid ones, okay? So now look, there was actually a lot of duplicate emails that matched that up on this list. So these, all that are highlighted, need to be erased. Now, even though for some reason there was duplicates of these two throughout this list. So for some reason, it showed all of these, but I'm going to erase them all anyway, just like that. And then I'm going to highlight them and hit delete, okay? So now we have a cleaned and verified email list. So 814 on here, okay? So I'm just going to click on save here and save that list. And now I've taken all the invalid emails out. Okay, guys? So that's how you clean and verify a list free of charge. All right? Hope you got something out of the video. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks.